What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a TD Bank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, you want to search for TD Bank login and click on the first link over here. Once you do that, it'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on versus login. And over here where it says banking and investment, right under there is online banking. Click on it. It'll bring you to this website. Over here, you want to enter your username and then the password of your account. And once you click on login, you should be able to log in into your TD Bank's online banking account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.